Hello. Today, let us look at a lesson from Savi Kannada, grade 6. This is lesson number 2, Gandharva Sena. We have to be very clear when we communicate with others. Our body language, our expressions, all that is very important. And also, whatever we are trying to communicate or whatever information or things we have to tell to others, we have to be very clear about it. We need to have complete information about it. Having half information, understanding half, and then trying to tell to others will lead to a lot of confusions. So, this lesson also talks about how important it is be able to communicate clearly and correctly. So, this lesson is highlighting on the point that we need to be very clear when we are giving information to others. So, before we look into the lesson, I will give a small brief of what this lesson is, what the story in this lesson is. So, once there was a king and he was in his court. They all had assembled and they were discussing important things in the court. When one minister comes running and he comes crying loudly and he says that Gandharva Sena is dead. He tells that to the king. And after he tells that, he faints and he falls down. Now the king, on listening to this, he says, okay, since Gandharva Sena is dead, let us have a mourning, 4 days mourning in our entire kingdom. And he stops his court, he stops the meeting in his court, and he goes back to uh, he goes back to the uh, queen's room, and he goes there and he starts crying. He also starts crying very loudly. Then the queens ask him, what is the reason for your sorrow? Why are you crying like this? Then he tells them, Gandharva Sena is dead. The wives think the king is feeling sad, so we also have to feel sad, and they also start crying. Then there was one a maid servant of a queen, and she was a little sharp minded, sharp thinking. So then she thinks, what is the who is this Gandharva Sena? What is his relationship with our king? Why is our king feeling so sad that Gandharva Sena is dead? So she goes and asks the queen, who is Gandharva Sena? The queen says, I don't know who it is. I'll go and find out. And she asks the king, who is Gandharva Sena? And the king also doesn't know who it is. The king thinks, what a foolish person I am. I don't even know who he is and I'm crying. So he goes back to his court. By then, the minister who had fainted, he gets some medical treatment from the doctor, and now he is fine. So the king asks the minister, who is Gandharva Sena? So the minister says, King, I also don't know who it is. This morning, the army chief, he was saying that Gandharva Sena is dead and he was crying loudly. So I thought I have to come and inform you. So now the king gets very angry and he tells the minister, you fool, go and find out who Gandharva Sena is. First do that job. And he sends him away. So the minister now goes to the army chief and he asks him, who is Gandharva Sena? Why were you feeling so sad? Then the army chief says, I don't know who he is. I don't know how important that person is. This morning, my wife was crying saying Gandharva Sena is dead. So I thought maybe I have to inform you about this. Now the minister is also angry and he tells the chief, come, let's go to your house and we will ask your wife who is Gandharva Sena. So they go to the army chief's house and they ask his wife, who is Gandharva Sena? Then she says, I don't know. This morning, the laundry woman means the washer woman who washes all your clothes, all that. So that lady was crying early in the morning. I met her when I went to take bath in the pond. So now all three of them go to that washerwoman's house to ask who is Gandharva Sena, what happened. There she is crying loudly and they ask her, who is Gandharva Sena? Why are you feeling so sad? Why are you crying? She says, Gandharva Sena is my favorite donkey. He died this morning. I used to treat that donkey as my own son. I am feeling very sad. I am in big grief because he is dead. And now the minister has to go and inform this to the king, right? And they all think for the sake of a donkey, we have all been creating so much of confusion has been created. So now the minister goes and tells the king, King, it is no one. It is not a great person who we thought it was. It is the washerwoman's donkey. Gandharva Sena is the donkey of the washerwoman, and the queens who came to understand, who came to hear this, were laughing. They laughed so much, thinking that we've all been such fools that we cried without even knowing who is Gandharva Sena. We have been crying. Okay, so here what is the importance that you need to communicate properly and have complete information before you tell it to others. You need to have a complete information about what you are telling. Okay, now let us look at the story. I will read one paragraph, then I will tell you the meanings in English, the important word meanings in English, and then I'll explain what the paragraph is. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ ಒಡ್ಡೋಲಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದನು. ಅವನ ರೋದನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವೇನೆಂದು ರಾಜ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದ. ಮಂತ್ರಿಯು ಸಿಂಹಾಸನವನ್ನು ಚುಂಬಿಸಿ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ತನ್ನ ನಾಲಗೆಯನ್ನು ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಹಾರಾಜರೇ, ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರಂತೆ ಎಂದು ಉದ್ಗರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ಹೋದ. Now I'll stop here. I'll explain the meanings first. Oddolaga means court or darbar. So it is a special meeting where the king meets all his ministers and all the citizens, and if there is any problem, they will discuss and solve. So that is usually that is called as the king's court or king's darbar. Then gattiyagi, loudly. Alutta, crying. Rodhane, grief. Rodhane means grief or sorrow. Karana is reason. Then Simhasana is throne. Chumbisu is kiss. Ground. Bhumi is ground or floor. Muttu is to touch. Namaskarisu is to bow down. Nalagege, nalageyannu. Nalage means tongue. Udda is long. And Tirikondaru means died. Udgarisutta. Udgarisutta means with lot of sorrow, telling something with lot of sorrow. Murche, faint. Okay, so once a king was having his court, when a minister came there crying loudly, and when they asked the reason for his grief, the king said the minister, he kissed the throne, then touched the ground, bowed down. He made his tongue, he brought out his tongue, he made it long, and he told the king that Gandharva Sena is dead. And he fainted. ರಾಜನು ಒಡ್ಡೋಲಗವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪರಿಸಮಾಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರ ಆತ್ಮಶಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿ 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶೋಕಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಆಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸಿದ. ಮಂತ್ರಿಯ ಆರೈಕೆಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿ ಉಪಚರಿಸುವಂತೆ ರಾಜಭಟ್ಟರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತಃಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ. Okay, now let us look at the meanings here. So, parisamapti means he stopped it, or he closed the meeting. He closed the darbar, finished or closed. Then Atma Shanti means to pray that the soul rests in peace, because Gandharva Sena is dead. So to rest in peace. And Shokacharane, mourning. Agnapisu, order. Araike, to nurse. And Upacharisu means to take care. So now the king who was in midway doing his court, who was there in his darbar and having a good discussion or meeting with all his ministers, he decided to stop. He decided to stop the court, and he also was crying. Kanneeru surisu means tears. Tears were rolling down his eyes. And he said, let Gandharva Sena's soul rest in peace. And he declared or he ordered that for 4 days the entire kingdom has to mourn the death of Gandharva Sena. And since the minister had fainted, he asks his doctors, Vaidyaru means doctors, he asks his doctors to come there and take care, to examine what is wrong with him and to take care and make him all right. And he went, the king told all this and then he went to the Antapura. Antapura means the queen's room. So he went there. And then ರಾಜ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕರುಳು ಕಿತ್ತು ಬರುವಂತೆ ಅಳತೊಡಗಿದ. ರಾಣಿಯರು ಅವನ ಶೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರು ಎಂದು ರಾಜ ಗದ್ಗದ ಕಂಠದಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ರಾಜನ ದುಃಖ ತಮ್ಮ ದುಃಖ ಎಂದು ಅವರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರುಳು ಹಿಂಡುವಂತೆ ಎದೆ ಬಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಳಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಇಡೀ ಅಂತಃಪುರ ದುಃಖ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೊಂದಲದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. So now shoka means sorrow. Then gadgada kantadinda means sobbing. Because if you keep crying for too long and then you try to talk, you will start sobbing. Means your words will not be clear. You will be crying and you will be trying to tell. So you will not have a clear voice. You will keep sobbing and talking. Then gondala is confused noise. So now the king goes to the queen's room and he starts crying loudly there. Then all his queens come and ask him, what is the reason for your sorrow? Then he says, Gandharva Sena is dead. And he is sobbing and telling them that Gandharva Sena is dead. So the queens think, oh, the king is sad. The king's sadness is like our sadness. We also have to feel sad. And they all also start crying. They also start crying very loudly and hitting on their chest. And the complete queen's room was in a confusion. Gondala means it filled with noise, confused noise. Then we'll look at the next paragraph. ರಾಣಿಯ ಸೇವಕಿಯೊಬ್ಬಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊಂದಲ ಏಕೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಮಹಾರಾಣಿಯವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏಕೆ ಅಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಳು. ರಾಣಿ ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಪ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರಂತೆ ಎಂದಳು. ಸೇವಕಿ ಚುರುಕು ಬುದ್ಧಿಯವಳು. ಅವಳು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾರಾಜರಿಗೂ ಆ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಎಂದು ಆತಂಕದಿಂದ ರಾಣಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದಳು. Okay, now let us look at the meanings. ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು, deep breath. ಚುರುಕು is sharp. ಆಲೋಚನೆ is thought. Then sambandha, relation. Atanka, eagerly. So now everybody is crying. The king is crying, then all the queens are crying. And there is a lot of confusion because wherever you see, there are only people crying there. So there was one maidservant of a queen. She didn't understand what is this, why is everybody crying like this. So she asks the queen, why are all of you crying? Then the queen says, she takes a deep breath and she says, Gandharva Sena is dead. But the maid is a little intelligent. She has sharp thinking. So she is wondering, she is thinking now, who is this Gandharva Sena? How is he related to the king? Why is the king crying for him? So she eagerly asks the queen, who is Gandharva Sena? Then what happens? Rani ಅದು ತನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ನುಡಿದು ರಾಜನ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ಯಾರು ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಳು. ರಾಜನಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆತ ಕಣ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಾನೆಂತಹ ಮೂರ್ಖತನದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರಳಿದ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಉಪಚಾರದಿಂದ ಸುಧಾರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು, ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳೇ, ಯಾರು ಈ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದ. ಮಹಾರಾಜರೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ, ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ಯಾರೆಂಬುದು ನನಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯದು. ಆದರೆ ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನು ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರೆಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಗಂಟಲು ಹರಿಯುವಂತೆ ಕೂಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ನಾನು ಅತ್ತೆ ಎಂದು ಮಾರ್ನುಡಿದ. Okay, so let us first look at the meanings now. ಮೂರ್ಖತನದ ಕೆಲಸ means foolish work. Asthana is quote. Teralu is return. Sudharisu means there is some improvement. And Kshamisi is forgive. Padeya Mukhyastha, army chief. Marnudida means replied. So now the queen is asking the king who is Gandharva Sena. But now the king also doesn't know who is Gandharva Sena. And then he thought, what a foolish work I have done. I have not even found out who it is and I have come crying. So he immediately rushes back, returns back to his court to find out from the minister. Now, by now the minister who had fainted, since the doctors had treated him, he is improved. There is some improvement in his health and he was awake and sitting there. And so the king asks the minister, who is Gandharva Sena? And he says, King, even I too don't know. Please forgive me, even I too don't know who it is. This morning, the army chief was telling that Gandharva Sena is dead and he was crying so loudly. So I thought I have to. So he said, I saw him crying and I also started to cry. Next. ರಾಜನ ಕೋಪ ನೆತ್ತಿಗೇರಿತು. ನೀನೊಬ್ಬ ಮೂರ್ಖ. ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನ ಯಾರೆಂದು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಎಂದ. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕಿವಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿ ತಂದಿತು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರು ಯಾರು ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವರು ಯಾರು, ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಎಂದು ನನಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯದು. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರೆಂದು ಸ್ವತಃ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯೇ ಅಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿಯನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆನಿಸಿತು, ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಂದನು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಅವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು the minister says, I don't know who it is. The king gets very angry and he tells the minister, first go and find out who it is. So the king runs away from the court because he doesn't want to face the angry king. And he comes and meets the army chief and he asks him who is Gandharva Sena. Now the army chief also says, I don't know who he was. I don't know what he was doing. I don't know who it is. This morning my wife was crying. She said that Gandharva Sena is dead and she was crying loudly. So I heard that news and I came and told you. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕುಳಿತ. ಇರಲಿ, ಇವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರಿಸೋಣ ಎಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆತನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಯಾರಮ್ಮ ಈ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅವಳು, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರ ಪರಿಚಯ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿ ತನ್ನ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನ ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆಂದು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನೆ ಅಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಅತ್ತೆ, ಗಂಡನ ಬಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಂದಳು. ಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಸುತ್ತಿದಂತಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನ ಯಾರು? ತಲೆ ಚಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡ. So now the chief also doesn't know who is Gandharva Sena. So the mantri is the minister. He is feeling sad. No, he doesn't know what to do. So he puts his hand on his head and he's sitting there. Then he thinks, okay, fine, let me go and inquire the army chief's wife. So they both go to the army chief's house and they inquire the wife. Then she says, I don't know who it is. I have no clue or no idea who it is. This morning when I went to the lake or pond to take bath, I heard the laundry woman crying there, saying Gandharva Sena is dead, and she was crying so loudly. That is listening to that, I came back and told that to my husband. I gave that information to my husband. So now the minister is feeling very dizzy because he is still not able to find out who is Gandharva Sena. So then he is feeling very desperate now. He has to know who is Gandharva Sena because he has to go and reply to the king. So he says, okay. Then he thinks, let me go and find out from that laundry woman only. Okay, so ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿಯ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನ ಯಾರು ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅವಳು ದುಃಖಿಸತೊಡಗಿದಳು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನನಗೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಲೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯ ಅವನಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ಮುದ್ದಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಎಂದು ಬೊಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅತ್ತಳು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ, ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮುಖವನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಬಿ ಕಿತ್ತರು. ಸೊ ನೌ ದೇ ಗೋ ಟು the laundry woman's house and find out who is Gandharvasena. When they go there, they see that she is in lot of sorrow and lot of sadness. And when they ask her who is Gandharvasena, she says, I am very, very unlucky. Gandharvasena, even now my heart is my heart is beating for that Gandharvasena, and Gandharvasena is my favorite donkey. I used to treat him like my son and he used to take care of everything. Now he has left me alone and he is gone. Okay. So now the army chief, the minister and the army chief's wife, they are looking at each other. They didn't expect that it will be a monkey. It will be a donkey. They thought it was a human. Okay. So they didn't expect it was a donkey. So they now look at each other. ದೆನ್ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅರಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ರಾಜನ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಿಜಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ. ಗಂಧರ್ವಸೇನರು ಸತ್ತರೆಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಶೋಕಿಸಿದೆವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕತ್ತೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ. ರಾಜ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹಿಗ್ಗಾಮುಗ್ಗಾ ಬೈದನು, ಆದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಿಸದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಅಂತಃಪುರದ ರಾಣಿಯರ ಕಿವಿಗೂ ಮುಟ್ಟಿತು. ಒಂದು ಕುರಿ ಹಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದವು ಎನ್ನುವಂತೆ ರಾಜ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಆಸ್ಥಾನಿಕರು ಮೂರ್ಖತನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರಾಣಿಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕೆಲುಬುಗಳು ನೋಯುವವರೆಗೆ ನಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ನಿಜಾಂಶ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ನೌ ದ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. What he tells to the king is, King, we all were in sorrow and we were mourning the death of Gandharvasena, but Gandharvasena is nobody but a laundry woman's donkey. So the king now gets very angry and higga mugga means very badly. Okay, very badly he scolds the minister. But he did not punish him, he just scolds him. And then this news that Gandharvasena is a donkey, it reached the queen's rooms. And the queens, they had a hearty laugh, thinking that there's a proverb, right? If there is one sheep which goes and falls in a valley, all other sheep also follow it. So similarly, that is what the king also did. The king and his ministers, everybody blindly assumed what the minister said and started to cry and started to mourn. Nobody even thought of finding out who is Gandharvasena. Okay, so the queens had a hearty laugh at the foolishness of the king and his ministers. So, what is this lesson? What is the importance of this lesson? What did we learn from this lesson? That we need to communicate correctly with correct facts. We need to understand the complete information. Just giving half information will only lead to confusions. And finally, it became such a silly matter for them all to go and mourn for or feel sad for.